can't seem to know what is enough. You got my heart beating.
Where am I going? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about where I'm going. Worry about where my luggage is from. Level 8, baby. I just got the best luggage in the world. I used to be a base girl, but this luggage is incredible. I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I use for Atlanta, and it's called Level 8. Their stuff is so good. They have like big luggages, small luggages, and I ended up buying the one that comes in 2 because I love sets, so it's easy to determine which one is yours, and it's so sleek and beautiful. Let me show you guys. So this is my new luggage. She's so pretty. It's called Level 8, the brand, and honestly, I love when luggages come in multiple sets. Like when I went to Atlanta, I was only there for a day, so I didn't need to bring like this big check bag, but I brought this one, and it was so easy to use, and it glided so good in the airport. I hate when I'm using a luggage and it doesn't glide well, and this one glides so perfect. But honestly, the best part about this luggage is not the fact that it like glides good and it's like very sturdy. Like if it, you know how those freaking airport people be throwing your luggages, this isn't gonna get any dents or anything. But it has a lock, and it has like the locksmiths type, like you put your code in, no one can get in it, because they be stealing there. Okay, they be stealing at the airport. So you can't get in unless you have the code to open it. It's like a one-time purchase kind of thing. Like you get it once and you don't have to buy it again. And honestly, it's pretty affordable for the way that it is. I honestly thought that it was gonna be way more money, but it's great. It has a TSA locks, telescopic handles, limited lifetime warranty. It has 2 handles, so one on the front, one on the side. And it has like the low noise wheels, so you don't have to like hear it everywhere you're going, which is honestly a plus, especially when you're traveling a lot. You just want to be like calm and know everything's perfect. So definitely check these out. They read. Okay, quick hotel room tour because I have to literally get ready and work. But okay, you walk in. We got a mirror here. Ooh. Then we have a bathroom. Wait. Bathroom? Okay.
What? McAllen.
Hey.
Bottle.
Over here.
Do we drink it in it?
They might charge you.
No.
Well, they might charge him.
You got it. You made 100,000. 3 days.
Time to get ready. YouTube, my dad is right here helping me. He's like being the cameraman, so hi YouTube. Getting ready now for an interview in the Hawks game. All right, guys, just finished doing my makeup. Gonna fix my hair a tiny bit and then get dressed. I'm doing my first interview of a sports bettor today, which is gonna be really fun. I'm gonna be nervous, but it's gonna be fine. And then headed to the Hawks game right after that. So I'll be vlogging everything. I'm gonna try probably to vlog. I'm debating if I'm gonna bring my camera to the game or vlog off my phone, but it's small enough, so if it fits in my bag, then I'll bring my camera. But if not, then I'm gonna just vlog off my phone, so see you later. Hey guys, so now I'm waiting for Chris to get here to do the interview. This place is crazy. Also, maybe that's like a sign. I'm just kidding, but yeah, I'm really excited. I have no idea what to expect in this interview. I'm kind of nervous, but honestly, fake it till you make it.
Make it fun.
Gonna have fun. And then I think we have a little bit of time to kill in between, so we haven't ate anything today, so probably be a good idea if we ate, so I'm not a bitch later. Or have a headache. So yeah, see you guys later. So here we're just setting up for the interview. If you guys are confused at what I'm doing and why I'm even in Atlanta, it was to do this interview for the sports gambler, Chris King. He has done a phenomenal job at growing his business, and this is all for TIANA Talk Sports. So this is a new thing that I'm starting. It's like a little show that I'm doing, and we're gonna have different athletes on, different sports gamblers, and it's going to be so much fun. And that's actually why I'm in Atlanta, why I was able to go to the Hawks game. Chris has like lifetime tickets or something like that, and he got me and my dad tickets, and we gave away 2 tickets for free, and we also upgraded someone's tickets
as well at the game, which is all in this vlog. And I'm so grateful to be doing this and so excited. I learned so much in this interview, and I'm really excited to bring you along this journey that I'm doing. It's going to be really fun, interesting, and new. And there are going to be 2 interviews actually dropping this week, so stay tuned for that. And really exciting, the other person that I have coming on, so stay tuned for everything. We finished the interview, and now we are eating at Southern Gentleman, and I've never been here before, but it looks really good, so let's eat. This is the menu.
What are you trying? What is that?
Buffalo chicken. Fire.
And what is this bad boy?
That's a hush puppy.
Exactly.
I don't like onions. Okay, video me.
No.
Oh.
No. I'm gonna get you to try it.
Is it that good? Come on. Oh my god.
Just finished eating. Now we're walking back to the hotel if we could find it. Also, loser over here standing in the elevator, and it opened up behind him. I'm out of the elevator. He's still standing in front of the wrong
looking
side.
at my phone. This is why you don't bury your head in the phone.
But now, walking back to the hotel,
Hold on.
gonna touch up a little bit, grab a jacket, and then we're heading to the game. So let's go. I'm also gonna bring my camera. I also have to do crowd interviews, which I'm nervous for, because if you guys have been here forever, you guys remember the Miami interviews I used to do in South Beach. So it's gonna be one of those again. So, but thankfully I only have to ask one person. Hopefully it's like a trivia question to get them to win closer tickets, because we're gonna give someone in the 300 section a chance to win in the 100 section. So
Great.
I'm gonna upgrade them, but they need to answer 3 trivia questions correct about the Hawks. So hopefully the person I go to knows I don't have to keep asking. So see you guys there. What's up, guys? We are here at the Hawks game with Chris. Chris is sports betting guru. You'll see our interview later this week, but we are gonna go inside to the Hawks game, see if his bets hit.
Yeah, we're gonna try to win $10,000, so we'll see.
I mean, that's a good number to hit. So we'll see you guys inside. Hey! Now we are going to level 200 to pick a lucky fan to upgrade levels. So we are going to ask them 3 trivia questions, and whoever gets it right.
How many people do you think are gonna get it wrong?
I think we're gonna go through like 2 people before we get it. Hopefully not. Hopefully they're like,
Hopefully they get it right away.
Yeah. I mean, that would be ideal, so I don't have to embarrass myself multiple times, but
Tiana really does talk sports and trivia.
I talk all of it. Their tickets, upgrading to level 100. Great job, guys.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, y'all, we are back in the hotel. Also, I put this on my Snapchat, but if you don't have me on Snapchat, go add me. But look at this. We walk back in the room, and this is waiting at the foot of the bed. It's freaking slippers and a freaking cloth. Like, never seen that in my life.
I'm gonna try it out.
Yeah, try it out. Try it out.
Oh wait, I just took these off. Oh. What's this? What's in here? Slips.
Wow.
Wait a minute. Alright.
Some bougie ass shit.
Hold on. So cozy.
Damn, slippers. Hey, 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 hey. Is it Tony? Is it Anthony? Is it Becky? Guys, this was like the quickest trip ever, but it was honestly had the greatest day, right? It was
good stuff.
it was a really
Nice,
fun
man.
day. I can't wait to show you guys the interview and everything I'm doing. I know a lot of it doesn't make sense right now, and I'm just like showing you guys like sporadic things, but
It will.
it will all make sense very soon. Everything's gonna come together. I also did an interview with a safety on the Detroit Lions, which will also be out soon. So there's a lot of behind the scenes that happens when you see these things come out online, not just from me, but like other people as well. So I kind of am grateful I get to show you guys the behind the scenes of stuff because it makes what comes out so much more fun to watch because you can like see the journey. If you don't have me on Snapchat, like I said earlier, make sure you add me. It's just my name, TIANA MUSARRA. I have a star next to it so you guys know that that's me. I vlog my entire day. So yes, you get a vlog on YouTube, but you get real time vlogs so you can see like literally every single detail of my life. I even showed like a lot of like the stuff behind the scenes at the basketball game because I got to sit on the floor and they have like such a cool spot for like food, and you get unlimited food and unlimited drinks and candy. They pass around candy, they pass around gum, they pass around so many different things, and it was really fun. I had a really good time, and like I said, it was my first ever basketball game, so to be where I was sitting was so cool. So shout out to Chris.
Chris hooked you up, man.
And Chris has a girlfriend, has a baby, okay?
He's a gentleman.
And is a gentleman, hooked my dad up with a ticket for the game, and is awesome. If you really want to get into sports betting, highly suggest getting into his courses because like he's gonna, there'll be more detail in the interview, but if you are really looking to get into that, I highly suggest checking his stuff out. Actually, we made a bet at the game and it won. So
He knows his shit, man.
he really knows his shit. So he started out doing stocks and then he transitioned into sports betting. So he has all the knowledge there. He's very, very smart. So you always want to go towards people that are knowledgeable in what they do, not just people who win something once in a while and they want to give you advice on stuff. So you want to get educated. But now we just ordered some wings. I'm gonna like take a shower, put on my pajamas, eat some wings, and then we're out of here back to Florida in the morning. So see you guys later.
Hey, Vinny Gigante. Nice outfit.
I didn't know. I haven't worn this sweat outfit in like 2 years, and I needed like just like a set, so I threw it in my luggage. And they're high waters. They literally don't. This is as far as they go. And I walk, and and I have really skinny ankles, so they look how weird they look.
Nice.
And it makes my feet look huge.
You look like a nut. Like Vinny Gigante, he used to dress like that on purpose so they didn't prosecute him. You have an overcoat on.
Wait, I'm gonna take off the sweatshirt and put my coat because it's black, so maybe I'll look better.
Nah, leave the sweatshirt on.
No.
Wait, you're trying to make that outfit look good?
I'm trying!
Wait,
Oh wait, I have jeans.
we're just
have
going to
jeans.
breakfast.
This looks better, this looks better.
Okay.